If you want to permanently delete your WhatsApp account, this quick guide will show you the exact steps to do it. Keep in mind that deleting your account may permanently remove your chats, groups, and backups. Now let's begin. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Once the app opens, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Delete Account. WhatsApp will now ask you to confirm your phone number. Start by selecting your country code. Then enter the phone number connected to the WhatsApp account you want to delete. Make sure the number is entered correctly before continuing. After that, tap the Delete Account button at the bottom of the screen. You may receive one final confirmation message. Simply follow the prompt to permanently delete your WhatsApp account. And that's all. If this tutorial helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more simple and helpful guides.